Hey everybody, good morning. I am here live from my kitchen. I know you're so excited to hear from me. Anyway, I thought I'd make a few videos in case you needed any kind of explanation for what we're going to be doing for the next 6 days. So, first things, on day one, you have a couple of resources that you're going to use. The first one here is this web page. So we are going to be talking about acids and bases, and I'm sure you've talked about acids and bases in many of your other science classes. So this is not going to be a new topic, but we might come at it from a new angle this time. So we've got this article on ck12.org titled Acids and Bases, and it kind of goes through why these are important. The biggest thing why these are important, I'm going to zoom in here, it comes back to the number of biological processes. So like in your stomach, you've got this enzyme that's working. It's called pepsin. And anytime you eat protein like meat, chicken, proteins, any milk protein, any of that, it's going to get digested in your stomach by this particular enzyme called pepsin. Yes, it sounds like Pepsi. It's not Pepsi. It's pepsin, and it's going to help you digest proteins. But the thing is with pepsin, it only works at a pH of 2. So your stomach is a pH of 2. It has that pH that's really acidic, if you remember your pH scale from a few years ago. So it's really important to have the right pHs in the right places in your body, because after it passes out of the stomach and it goes into your intestines, guess what? The pH changes. Now pepsin can't work, but other enzymes can work. So it's really interesting stuff. Anyway, back to the matter at hand, we have solutions. We've been talking about solutions. A solution is a mixture of two or more substances. One of the main ingredients is water. And anytime we add something to that water to make a solution, it's going to be either acidic or basic. And right here, they have the breakdown of water for us. Water gets broken down into two ions. This first ion is called hydronium, the hydronium ion, H3O plus. And the second one is called OH negative, that is the hydroxide ion. And we're going to measure these to get our pH. So I'm scrolling down here. It tells us that water has a pH of 7. It is right in the middle. It's neutral. And you've seen this before. There we go. pH of 7 is water. That's right in the middle, neutral. If we go higher in our pH numbers, we get basic. And it says basic right there, upside down, but basic. And things like baking soda, toothpaste, soaps, up here, soap, all of that is going to be basic. But as we move down our pH to these lower numbers, it becomes acidic. So things that could be acidic are vinegar, orange juice, lemon juice, and then right there, hydrochloric acid. That's the stuff that's in our stomachs. Ooh, guess what saves our stomach from being burned from the inside out? Mucus. Lovely, lovely mucus. Okay. Anyway, it goes through what a base is, what an acid is, what a base is, and then it talks about how these help the organisms. You even have a video if you want to watch the video, 2 videos, in fact. I'm going to scroll out. So you have this resource. The other resource that I've posted are our notes. Some of you are going to have access to a printer, and you can print these out if you'd like and cut and paste them into your book. But if you don't have that, and to be honest, I don't want to use my printer because ink is expensive, I'm going to probably just write this out directly into my notebook. There's not a whole lot. And when we get back, I can give you these pictures, or if you want to try to draw these pictures on your own and give it some color and pizzazz, I highly recommend that. So these are the notes. It tells us H3O hydronium, OH is hydroxide. And it goes through giving you examples of things, and then talks about enzymes down here. Once you get done with all of these notes, you are going to have a short formative Google form to fill out. And that's going to be kind of what tells me that you completed all this and that you know what acids and bases are. So this is day 1, and then the Google form will be considered day 2. I hope you enjoy acids and bases. And as always, if you ever have any kind of question, please email me. I am available. And if you need anything else besides chemistry, if you need anything else, email me. We'll see you soon. Bye.